You've tried every skincare tip out there, washing your face before bed, applying anti-aging creams, and constantly switching products. Yet, nothing seems to work. Before considering expensive medical treatments, take a moment to review your skincare routine. You might be unknowingly making some common mistakes. Here are 8 bad skincare habits and how to fix them. 1. Overusing facial scrubs. Facial scrubs are great for exfoliating dead skin cells and revealing a fresh, smooth layer underneath. However, using them too frequently can lead to adverse effects like dryness, redness, and irritation. The optimal frequency depends on your skin type: 3 times a week for normal or combination skin, 5 times a week for oily skin, and just once or twice a week for sensitive skin. Be cautious of scrubs with abrasive ingredients like ground seeds or shells, as they can cause microtears. Instead, choose chemical exfoliants that gently cleanse your pores without damaging the skin's surface. 2. Relying solely on anti-wrinkle creams. Anti-wrinkle creams can reduce fine lines and age spots, but aren't a miracle solution for completely erasing wrinkles. To effectively delay aging, incorporate a broader skincare routine. Moisturize regularly to keep your skin hydrated and elastic. Sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher is crucial, even on cloudy days, to protect against UV damage. Additionally, adopting a healthy lifestyle, such as avoiding smoking, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep, plays a significant role in maintaining youthful skin. For tailored advice and treatments, consult a dermatologist to address your specific skin concerns. 3. Rubbing your face with a tea towel. Instead of rubbing your face with a towel after washing, gently pat it dry to avoid irritation and pushing bacteria into your pores. Use a soft, clean towel reserved exclusively for your face, and change it regularly to prevent bacterial buildup that can lead to infections and skin issues. 4. Sleeping with your hair down. Sleeping with your hair down can transfer oils, dirt, and hair care products to your face, causing clogged pores and breakouts. To prevent this, tie your hair back loosely with a scrunchie or wrap it in a silk scarf before bed. Avoid tight elastics that can damage your hair. This habit helps keep your skin cleaner and reduces the likelihood of developing skin issues. 5. Neglecting your pillowcase. Your pillowcase can accumulate dirt, oils, and sweat, leading to acne. To prevent breakouts, change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days, or at least once a week. The material, cotton, silk, or satin, is less important than keeping it clean. Regular laundering removes grime and bacteria that can cause skin irritation, ensuring a healthier, clearer complexion while you sleep. 6. Ignoring clay masks. Clay masks offer significant benefits for your skin, such as detoxifying, reducing blemishes, and refining pores. They contain astringent and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe inflammation and tighten skin. Choose a clay mask suited to your skin type: kaolin for normal skin, rose clay for sensitive skin, and French green clay for oily skin. Incorporate clay masks into your skincare routine once or twice a week to effectively cleanse and rejuvenate your skin, promoting a clearer and more radiant complexion. 7. Skipping skin-healthy foods. Eating a diet rich in skin-healthy foods can enhance your complexion naturally. Include broccoli to reduce redness and inflammation, tomatoes and apricots for sun protection, and carrots and peaches for a healthy glow. Fatty fish provides essential omega-3s to keep skin supple, while bell peppers support firmness. Soy improves elasticity, and dark chocolate hydrates and protects against sun damage. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you nourish your skin from within, promoting a radiant and healthy appearance. 8. Covering up problems instead of solving them. Using concealer often suggests underlying skin concerns. It's crucial to seek dermatological advice to address these issues effectively. A dermatologist can recommend personalized skincare treatments to target specific problems and improve overall skin health. Don't just mask the symptoms, take proactive steps to understand and treat the root causes for clearer, healthier skin. Let's talk about how to have good skin. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Hydrated skin appears plumper and more resilient. 2. Diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods high in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, help combat oxidative stress and promote skin repair. 3. Sun protection. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunburn, and increase the risk of skin cancer. 4. Cleansing. Regularly cleanse your skin to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type to avoid stripping away natural oils. 5. Moisturizing. Apply moisturizer to maintain the skin's moisture barrier. Choose products that match your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or a combination. 6. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can damage the skin, leading to premature aging and other skin issues. 7. Manage stress. High stress levels can trigger skin problems such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or exercise. 8. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. During sleep, the skin undergoes repair and regeneration processes. 9. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Avoid over-exfoliating as it can cause irritation. 10. Regular checkups. Visit a dermatologist regularly for skin examinations, especially if you notice any changes in moles or new skin growths. By following these guidelines, you can help maintain your skin's health and appearance, keeping it looking youthful and vibrant. Recognize any of these habits? Share your thoughts below, like and share for more skincare tips. Subscribe for our latest advice on achieving a healthier, glowing complexion.